Well, hey everybody, Dan here at stockmarketmentor.com. And I want to look at MicroStrategy today. Now, this has been kind of all over the place. You know what the drill is. It's no longer really an enterprise software company, though that is their front. It's a Bitcoin bank. And so it's been trending sideways and slapping all around here until till this peaked here. So what are we doing with this right now? Um, I don't really think, frankly, there's anything to be done today, tomorrow, yesterday. It's just really one that you want to watch. But I think if you're holding this, even perhaps at a loss, certainly hope you're bought down here. I know, way back down here. I think you got to be looking at this area here as a consolidation. Well, I'll put this thing on there. I don't mean to do that. I mean to do this. You got to look at this area right here as some consolidation for the stock. But what really interests me isn't this chart here because it's just chopping all around. Who knows what it's going to do. When I see this type of thing, now I get more excited because this is really a flag pattern. I'm not thinking about this one peak here, but this is really a flag pattern here. And what I want to see is maybe we'll get another move lower, but I'm looking at seeing the stock move above this downtrending resistance line. This is what works for me. I want to get rid of this anchored VWAP. Thank you, Brian Shannon. Great indicator. But I want to be looking at this not for like today or tomorrow, but looking at this in a weekly time frame. I'm just looking for the next move up. And I can virtually guarantee you that you're going to have a move up just because of the company's exposure to Bitcoin. That's really where I think this move is coming. I'll just slide this over real quick, though I'm not going to do a Bitcoin thing. But if you just look at the way this has been trading here, forget about all this stuff. You look at the way this has been trading here, it's back at, it peaked above, a little above 100 today, but this is a stock that's working really, really well. And so you have to expect that MicroStrategy is going to be doing the same thing. So I like MicroStrategy here. I wouldn't be buying it tomorrow reflexively. Don't do that at all. But this is a stock that's ultimately going to go higher. And I can put another box here and say this is really the current congestion right here. And so what I think you want to do is make this visible here so you can see where this chart is and watch and see the stock continue to grind around here, ultimately narrow a little bit. The range will narrow right along the 50, perhaps the 100-day moving average. And then when it starts moving higher, that's when you pounce on this thing and let's just say your position sets sail with Michael Saylor. That was a really, really stupid joke. So I'm just going to hang my head in shame and end the video. All right, I'll see you all later.